Hi guys, welcome to G3 Fashion and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell button to never miss a video from us. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is g3fashion.com with me, Aarti, and today's video is a different version of Indian ethnic wear, or say Indian wardrobe essentials that you must have. And I've got my model here who is Tanya. Hi Tanya.
Hi.
She's going to help us out on styling the same clothes in different ways. So Tanya, I'd like to ask you a question. Do you have clothes in Indian ethnic wear which you really love and would like to repeat often?
Yeah, I have sarees and kurtis as well in my wardrobe, but I always search for styling tips and want to mix match the outfits, yeah,
at different intervals.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what we've got for you. We're going to show you easy ways to style these outfits or repeat your Indian ethnic outfits like a pro. So these are the Indian ethnic wear essentials or Indian wardrobe essentials that are a must-have, and how to style the same outfits in different ways. So let's move on to the video. So for the first look and the most staple Indian ethnic wear you should invest in is a black kurti, whether it's plain or which is something like this. You can see she's already wearing it. You can pair it with leggings or pants or jeans and even plazos to get multiple different looks. Or the easiest way is to add on a nice dupatta. You can add on different type of dupattas with a kurti and a leggings or a jeggings to get a different look for occasions and complete the whole look into a salwar kameez. So the first look, we've just added a nice neutral dupatta. You can see it's in Lucknowi work and there's also a little bit of golden work to match the kurta embellishment. This is the most simplest way you can pair up a plain kurti in black with a dupatta. Or what you can do is also pair up a nice silk dupatta in a different color to get a different look. This type of styles are perfect for weddings or festivals, and it will give you a different look to the same plain kurti. Next is to invest in a solid or a neutral black or white Anarkali like she's wearing. You should have something like this which is flared from the waistline and should be in a solid color, so you will be able to use this into multiple different looks for different type of occasions. So this is what we've done. We've ditched the dupatta and you can wear your solid Anarkali which is in white or black just like a dress. And these are the latest trends. You can see that it's got pleats and horizontal lines, and you can definitely wear something like this for a day look or a day function. And this is your style number 2. We've just thrown up a nice ethnic jacket. It's in prints and it adds color to your plain Anarkali. So this is the simplest way you can revamp the whole Anarkali look. Next is you should have lots and lots of different type of kurtis like you're looking at, even if it's in prints. And what you can do is pair up a different kurti which is in the same family look to get a different look. What I'm going to do is give her another kurti which is a kurti jacket or a Anarkali kurti which has a slit, and you can always wear this like a shrug or a jacket. So ethnic jackets or long kurti jackets which open up at the center has to be your Indian wardrobe essentials to get a different look when you pair it up with another kurti just like this. We've mixed prints here. You can also go for plains. You can pair up different type of kurtis, or even go for a different version of Indo-Western by pairing the same ethnic jacket with a palazzo and pants, or a crop top and a top. And the other way to style this is also by adding a nice belt. Cinch up your waistline till you feel comfortable, and you can always use a thin or even a figure belt to get the whole look. And that gives you a complete different look with a belt added. Next is to invest in some ethnic wear plazos. You can see that we've chosen a different version of a plazo which has a little bit of embroidery at the bottom. Now this is because you always have plazos which comes with your salwar suits, or you've bought them separately, and if they're an Indian ethnic wear touch they might have a little bit of embroidery or borders. So we'll show you how you can get a different look with plazos by pairing a nice casual outfit into an Indo-Western look. So what she's done is just unbutton the shirt till the waistline and tied it up in a knot at the waist, and added some heels and earrings to complete a dressy look. You can always do this with a denim shirt or even a shirt like we've used. And I'm also going to show you another way you can style ethnic plazos, but we're going to do that with a sari. So let's move on to a sari, which is a must-have first. So here comes the sari, and a traditional sari is really a must-have in your wardrobes. I'm not talking about those party saris or those old version of the saris, but I'm talking about a typical silk sari which has a nice zari border. Now we've chosen this white or off-white cream sari which has a traditional silk zari border on the borders, and I'm going to show you how you can wear the same sari in different looks, or we can say you're going to repeat the same sari like a pro. So here's your traditional sari into an Indo-Western sari look. We've added a contrast palazzo pants instead of wearing the sari over a petticoat, and we've draped it into a half sari on your palazzo to get this nice Indo-Western look with a sari. You can always do this with different plazos or a sharara as well. So here's another look with the same sari and the drape. We've draped the sari on a plain skirt that matches the sari and the blouse. You can always invest in plain silk skirts which are in colors like this. Reds, maroons, navies, or an olive or a gold is a must-have for your Indian wardrobe essentials. And if you want to know how you can wear a sari in this drape, we already have a video. We will link it in the description and also up here. So guys, that was all from me here on g3fashion.com on how you can style different outfits for different looks like a pro, and these were the Indian wardrobe essentials that you must have. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a like, and if you're still new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell button to never miss a video from us. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, if you like the collection of Indian wear, you can find it on our website g3fashion.com, or you can also use G3 Plus video shopping service. Thank you so much for watching guys. We'll see you again next time.